So now you can see the two circuits which I already showed you on the computer screen. There is one current to voltage converter where the feedback resistor is now replaced by a light dependent resistor LDR. The corresponding circuit is here. You can see the op amp, you see that the LDR here, and that is in the feedback network, and the current source is still here, and current meter is also here, and the output is monitored by the voltmeter here. So everything is same except that in the feedback instead of the normal resistor I have replaced by a light dependent resistor. Now let me apply the current. The current here is about 10 microamperes as read from the multimeter here. It is 10 microamperes, and here also it is 10 point, and so 10 microamperes. And now please observe what is the output voltage you are getting. You are getting something around 33.4 millivolts or so, so around 33 or so. Now this is corresponding to the current that is generated due to the LDR present here. Now if I close the LDR using a small cardboard, you know the resistance will increase, and therefore the current to voltage converter output also will increase, because R increases, I into R should also increase. Now keep observing the multimeter reading as I bring the cardboard and hide the LDR. Now I have closed the LDR. You can see the voltage is somewhere around 180 or so. So when I remove it, again it comes to around 30 or something. So when I close it completely, you find it can go to very high values, 200, 300 millivolts and things like that. Is because when the light is stopped from the LDR, the resistance of the LDR increases. We all know that. So you can see this can be used to detect light intensity. When I close the LDR, the resistance increases, the output voltage increases. When I remove the lid, then the LDR is exposed to a lot of light, and therefore resistance is small and the voltage is also small. There is also another way to get the circuit, and that is, instead of putting it in the feedback, I am using the LDR itself as a current source. So that circuit is shown in the next part of the breadboard. You see another circuit here. You have the LDR now connected to some 5 volts supply. So the 5 volt supply with the LDR becomes a current source in effect, and that is connected at the input, and I put a fixed resistor of about 10 kilo ohm in the feedback here, that you can see. This is the op amp, this is the 10 kilo ohm resistor, this LDR is here, and the one end of the LDR is connected to the op amp, the other end is connected to plus 5 volts, and therefore it is energized with 5 volts. So now I will quickly change the multimeter from here to the next circuit. So now you can see I have connected the multimeter to the second circuit at the output of the second circuit, pin number 6 of the second op amp, and therefore you can see the current now is due to this LDR. The current source is due to this LDR, which is now exposed to a lot of light, and therefore the resistance is very small. You have large current, and therefore the voltage here is around 0.538 or so volts. It is in volts. Now if I cover the LDR, the resistance will increase, therefore the current will start decreasing because it is forming part of the current source. When I close that, current will decrease, and therefore you would find the output voltage comes to millivolts, 147 or something, 135, etc. So if I remove it, it again comes to 0.5 volts or so, and when I close it, it comes to few 100 millivolts or so. So you can see this also can be used as an optical detector for detecting light intensity. This LDR can be used by making use of the simple current to voltage converter.